In early January 2025, the entertainment world was shocked by the news of one of the BTS members, Jungkook, who was reportedly poisoned in the middle of his military training. The news immediately caught the attention of fans around the world, with major questions arising as to what exactly was going on behind this incident. Jungkook, known for his talent and dedication, is suddenly entangled in a poisoning case that makes many people wonder if there are certain parties involved in this incident. Electrifying poisoning. The first information received by the media mentioned that Jungkook found himself admitted to a military hospital after experiencing severe symptoms of poisoning. This happened while he was undergoing compulsory training in the South Korean army. Fans and the media immediately wondered about what really happened in Jungkook's military chambers. Is it food that causes poisoning? Or maybe there are other factors that make him suffer from this kind of pain. Jungkook's rapidly weakening body condition made many parties worried. The poisoning he suffered led to the possible presence of harmful substances mixed in the food he consumed during training. Although food poisoning is the most common cause, rumors are starting to circulate, and many are wondering if this was a deliberate incident or just an accident. Investigation of medicine. What was found? After Jungkook was rushed to a military hospital, the doctors who handled the case immediately carried out a series of medical tests. Preliminary examination results showed that Jungkook suffered serious poisoning due to harmful chemicals contained in his food. However, there is insufficient evidence to confirm whether this poisoning came from food cooked by kitchen attendants or whether there were outsiders who might have deliberately spread the dangerous substance. The doctor who treated Jungkook, Dr. Choi, explained that Jungkook's body showed symptoms of acute poisoning, which is usually caused by contaminated food or contaminated chemicals. We can't immediately conclude what the exact cause is, says Dr. Choi. However, the symptoms are very clear and we immediately provide the necessary treatment. Meanwhile, a number of other experts said that poisoning like this cannot be ignored, especially considering Jungkook's high status in the entertainment world. Many speculations have sprung up as to whether any parties may have intended to damage Jungkook's reputation or even attempted to target him in highly unexpected ways. The Attorney General has taken legal action as the poisoning case heats up. Jungkook's lawyers are also not standing still. They immediately began to conduct a deeper investigation to find out who is responsible for this incident. Jungkook's lawyer, Jimin, revealed that they will take all legal steps to seek the truth and ensure that justice is served. Jungkook is a citizen and also a highly respected public figure. We will work hard to ensure that this incident is taken seriously and that those responsible will be held accountable, Jimin said in a statement. As a first step, Jungkook's legal team focused on investigating the safety of food provided at military facilities. They asked to inspect all the foodstuffs served to Jungkook on the day of the incident, as well as to carry out laboratory tests on the remains. Are there other factors involved? Although this case of poisoning is under investigation, many speculations have sprung up among fans and the general public. Some people are beginning to suspect that there may be other factors involved in this incident. One is the possibility that this poisoning was not just an accident, but an attempt to intimidate or harm Jungkook. However, so far there is no hard evidence to support the theory, and investigators are still focusing on more realistic causes of poisoning, such as human error in the food preparation process or hygiene problems in military facilities. The impact of this case on Jungkook and BTS. This case certainly had a big impact, not only on Jungkook personally, but also on the BTS group that has been known all over the world. As one of the most famous members, Jungkook has a huge fan base, and this incident made many people feel anxious about his health and safety. The emotional impact felt by Jungkook certainly cannot be ignored. Speaking about this, a psychologist, Dr. Kim, mentioned that events like this can cause a sense of trauma for someone, especially if they feel that their safety has been threatened. Jungkook needs to get adequate mental and emotional support, especially if this incident was intentionally directed to harm him," added Dr. Kim. The future of the case. What will happen next? Jungkook's poisoning is still under investigation. The South Korean government has confirmed that it will pay serious attention to the case and ensure that all relevant evidence and facts are carefully examined. Jungkook's lawyers also revealed that they will continue to seek justice for their client. They hope that those responsible can soon be found and brought to justice. As time goes by, maybe we'll find out more about what really happened to Jungkook. But one thing is certain. This incident has opened the eyes of many people to the potential dangers that can occur in supposedly safe places, such as military facilities. Conclusion: Jungkook's poisoning has raised questions and speculation. Doctors are still conducting various tests to ascertain the exact cause of the poisoning, while Jungkook's lawyers are fighting for justice. Whatever the outcome, we hope that Jungkook recovers soon and can resume his life safe and sound. We also hope that this incident will be a lesson for all of us about the importance of safety and security, even in an environment that should be guaranteed. When the entertainment world and BTS fans were shaken by the news of Jungkook's poisoning, many of us reacted immediately. This news, which first appeared in early January 2025, immediately sparked a variety of speculation and big questions. Along with the development of increasingly crowded news, it is natural that we begin to wonder, did this incident really happen? Or maybe, this is just in fabrications to attract media attention and aggravate the situation for the sake of sensational profits. We are certainly surprised and anxious to hear that a celebrity of Jungkook's class could be seriously poisoned, even in the midst of military training that is supposed to be protected from all forms of danger. However, behind this electrifying story, we must consider many things before getting caught up in sheer emotional feelings. Is there a chance that all this is just part of a media game designed to distract us? Or will we believe this to be a reality that cannot be ignored? Seeing how the media and various sources raise this news, not a few of us feel torn between facts and sensations. In a fast-paced world full of information like today, it is not uncommon for us to find it difficult to distinguish what is true and what is just manipulation to attract the attention of audiences. We know that Jungkook is a public figure with a huge fan base, and his every move is always in the spotlight. When this poisoning incident was first revealed, many immediately believed it was because his condition was critical when he was taken to a military hospital. However, over time, questions began to arise. Did this poisoning really happen as it was portrayed, or was there an element of dramatization inserted to create a sensation?